Barcelona. I'm Dan. I'm going to do a few lessons how to capture the best super slow-mo footage on the Galaxy S9. First lesson's going to be how to find those epic moments in the everyday. First of all, we have to decide what's our subject going to be. For Gab and I, that means shifting our perspective a little bit. So I'm going to frame this up. Pop it. All right, cool. We got it. That happened in the blink of an eye, right? And what you'll probably find out is that it looks completely different in slow-mo. Great expression there. Nailed it, literally. Second lesson is going to be radically slowing down time. Galaxy S9 records 960 frames a second, and it's a phone. There's two ways you can shoot. There's a manual mode, and then next to the record button, there'll be a slow-mo button. And you can push that, and it'll record for 0.2 of a second at 960 frames a second, which stretches it out for 6 seconds, as you heard inside. You've also got automatic mode. There's a little square on the screen. I'm going to place that square onto the drum, and that square inside it will detect motion. And when it detects the motion, it automatically triggers it for you. All right, hit it. Okay. Cool. Awesome, right? Third lesson's all about lighting, okay? Now, with any camera work, lighting is incredibly important. But with super slow-mo, it's even more important. When you start filming at 960 frames per second, you take that second and you chop it up into tiny, tiny, tiny pieces. So that means that the sensor has much less time to take in all that light. So that's why when Gav and I film, we like to film on sunny days. I wouldn't say it was sunny right now, but we do have lights. Oh yeah, sure, safety first. Okay. Yep, crack it. Flipping confetti. Yay! Woo! Again, strong expression. Yeah, nailed it. Lovely. Now, I'm going to be going over to the slow-mo labs where you can join me, you know, come up to me, ask me any questions, have a little chat, and all these experiments that we've just done, you can have a go for yourself. Wow. Cheers, guys. Sorry about that. Very good, man. That's what you need. So this is where. Oh, did you miss it?